Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to set units in meters in AutoCAD. Units are one of the most fundamental settings in AutoCAD because they determine how measurements, dimensions, scaling, and object sizes are interpreted throughout a drawing. If the units are incorrect, the entire drawing can become inaccurate. Objects may appear too large, too small, or incompatible with other files and projects. Every drawing in AutoCAD is based on measurements. These measurements control lengths, distances, scaling, dimensions, printing accuracy, and object insertion sizes. If units are configured incorrectly, you may experience incorrect object sizes, scaling issues, wrong dimensions, imported blocks appearing huge or tiny, and plotting inconsistencies as well. Start by opening AutoCAD. Then open the drawing where you want to set the units. Go to the command line and type UN, which stands for Units. Then press Enter. The Drawing Units Settings window opens. What the Drawing Units window does. This window controls how AutoCAD interprets measurement systems within the drawing. What can be configured here? The Drawing Unit settings include length type, precision, angle settings, insertion scale, and lighting units. Inside the Drawing Units window, locate Insertion Scale. What insertion scale means? Insertion scale controls the unit system AutoCAD uses when inserting blocks, importing drawings, attaching external references, and scaling inserted objects. If insertion scale is wrong, inserted objects may appear extremely large or extremely small compared to the current drawing. Under Insertion Scale, open the drop-down list. What you'll see. The drop-down contains multiple unit options such as inches, feet, millimeters, centimeters, meters, and kilometers. From the drop-down list, select Meters. AutoCAD now interprets insertion and measurement scaling using meters as the primary unit system. Finally, click OK. Result. Your drawing is now configured to use meters. What this means practically. Distances and geometry inside the drawing are now interpreted relative to meters. When you now measure distances in the drawing, the values correspond to meters. Important clarification, setting units does not automatically resize existing geometry. Why this matters? The unit setting mainly tells AutoCAD how should these numbers be interpreted. AutoCAD itself does not inherently know whether a number means inches, millimeters, and meters. The unit setting defines the interpretation. What you just accomplished. You configured the drawing unit system, set insertion scale to meters, improved measurement consistency, prepared the drawing for metric-based drafting. Why unit consistency is critical. Professional CAD workflows depend heavily on consistent measurement systems to avoid technical errors. To summarize, setting units to meters in AutoCAD begins by opening AutoCAD and accessing the drawing unit settings using the UN command. Inside the Drawing Units window, the Insertion Scale dropdown is used to select meters as the measurement system. After clicking OK, AutoCAD interprets drawing measurements and inserted objects using meters, allowing distances and geometry to be measured and managed consistently within the metric system. And that's how to set units and meters in AutoCAD. Understanding units is extremely important because almost every drafting, scaling, dimensioning, and plotting operation depends on the drawing's measurement system being configured correctly. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.